Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name is Nestor and today we're doing a DIY project on the Vette. Now, you probably know what it is by the title, so I can't even troll you guys. I was gonna say we're painting the mirrors or doing something crazy like that, but no, we're actually just painting the side tire wall writing on our Michelin PS4 tires. So the very first thing that you got to do, and obviously, you know, we've watched quite a bit of YouTube videos, is get your acetone ready. And what's the acetone for?
So this is obviously to get all the contaminants off. It's a little stronger than rubbing alcohol. And so what I'm gonna do is just take it, put a liberal amount on the microfiber towel. And to be completely honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is me doing this for the first time. I'm gonna put that right on where we want it to go. As you can see, it's getting really dark here, so it must be working and taking everything off.
Yeah, so we're gonna be painting the Michelin only, as well as the Michelin man right there. You guys can see him smiling, look at him waving. So we're gonna get him in the Michelin writing in white. We think it's gonna look pretty badass. It was my idea. What we ended up doing was buying these Sharpie white permanent pens, and it's important because these are oil based. You do not want to get the acrylic ones. I've seen some videos on that and the acrylic ones look absolutely horrible after some time. All right, so we're just cleaning off basically the entire side of the tire. Both sides obviously have the Michelin writing on it, so we're doing the left and right side. I guess you just want to keep going until no more black.
Yeah, that's what I'm pretty much doing. As you can see right here, it's really dark, and so I'm just going constantly over it as much as possible because you obviously don't want to not clean it enough, you know, not do the prep, and then you're screwed.
Yeah, and then you apply it, and then after like 2 weeks, the writing already comes off. That would be horrible.
You can already tell the difference right there and there if you want to zoom in.
Oh yeah. All right, so we have our Sharpie white oil-based pen. If you can see that, probably not gonna focus, but it's okay. Yeah, gonna give it a nice shake here.
Yeah, that's right.
This doesn't look too good, does it? This is the cheapest possible mod that you can have on a vehicle. So what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna take the pen and we're gonna prime it. We're gonna push it down, make sure that it actually comes out. There's literally nothing coming out. I don't know why.
Struggles. Nothing.
We can just cut it there. You really gotta shake it up. And then obviously...
You really gotta force it. You can't get it after 2 pumps.
Oh yeah.
Two pump chump.
Here we go. Okay, that's not bad.
Are you even within the lines there?
Yep.
It looks like a 3-year-old drawing.
And overall, I'm not gonna worry if I'm outside the line because I can always take like a razor blade or something. See, I kind of messed up there. Oh, I can always take a razor blade and you know, clean this up a bit, so I'm not too worried.
Famous last words.
On camera, does it look good?
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, so see, that's all that matters, how it looks on camera.
The Michelin man's gonna look epic. Let's see him right there. You see him right there. Look at him.
So that's the first coat. It definitely looks very uneven, the white.
Good thing you're doing that line underneath because I see you went over a little bit there.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so what's the progress looking like?
So we're on the last letter right now. It looks really good from far away, but because this is first coat, it looks bad up close. It's like the paint's like not distributed evenly, right? So looks a little bit strange.
I still gotta take a look up close. From about here, I'm gonna show. Looks fantastic. Look at that.
It looks amazing, huh?
And then you do
zoom in a bit, and you're like, oh god.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so it looks a little bit sketchy from up close, but look, if you come over here, follow me, like right over, no, you gotta come, keep coming.
Keep going all the way?
Yeah.
Oh,
from like, from about here, where you can barely see it, it looks fantastic, guys. Absolutely epic, but don't go close.
His eyes are by far the hardest to do. Because he's got like, there's small indents that go deeper than like just the outline.
Oh, he's even got a smile, check that out.
Can you see the smile?
Oh yeah. Hyper zoom. Look at that detail. Artist over here.
It's pretty sick.
1 coat done. 3 more tires to go. Alrighty, progress on these wheels. It's not that bad up close even. Looks fairly clean. Let's zoom out. Oh yeah.
When the car's lowered, this is gonna look mint.
And when's that happening?
2-3 weeks on the spring, so.
Let's hope so.
Yeah.
But there we go. I think it looks good. Tell us in the comments what you guys think. First time, why not?
All right, guys, we are finally done. It took us about 2 hours to do all 4 wheels. There was 2 Michelin signs per wheel, so 8 in total, 8 graphics. Really not too hard. We definitely went over the edges in some cases, but I think it turned out really, really well. You don't need to take my word for it, though. This is what it looks like now that it's done. It looks absolutely badass, but one thing I will say is what the hell is going on with the gap in my fender compared to the tire? Dude, this car needs to be dropped ASAP. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to the dealership tomorrow, GM. I'm ordering the FE3 springs, the absorber, and the insulator. We're going to get them installed so we got a tighter suspension, and we're dropping this thing a minimum of 1 inch because this looks disgusting. Anyways, on a better note, this is kind of what it looks like up close. As you can see, we not only painted this one, but we also took a razor to it and actually cleaned up the edges. Now, you can tell that's really nice and clean. It looks sharp and professional. This, on the other hand, this is the bottom. We did not touch this one up just yet. I'm going to do that right after this. As you can tell, tons of mistakes. You know, like a ton of them. So don't be worried whatsoever if you do make those mistakes and if you're trying to do this yourself. All you need, and where is it? Where's my razor blade? I should have it somewhere here. All you need is a razor blade. Something simple like this. And you could take it off while the paint is still drying or after it's dry. It doesn't matter. Just scratch it on and you'll notice that all the paint and imperfections come right off. And it'll look amazing like that. Here's a further out shot just to show you guys what it looks like. Honestly, I'm kind of in love with it, but it needs to be dropped immediately. So that's gonna do it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, definitely drop a like, subscribe for more daily Corvette C8 videos and mods. I'm sure you guys already know which one I want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.